Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and before we start I want to ask you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get notified when I upload. So yeah, that'd be pretty sick, because I know like if you just subscribe you don't always get notifications, but if you have notifications on then you always do. So yeah, this video is going to be about how to grow your YouTube channel and like tips on like I guess just how to reach more people and get more subs. Yeah, so let's get into it. Right, so at the start of every video, like in the first 15 seconds, you want to ask people to subscribe and, you know, like and comment and stuff like that, because like within the first 15 seconds that's when the most people are going to be watching, and after that they start clicking off, which you don't want. So it needs to be like quite exciting as well, like quite hyped up. Like I know this video isn't, but you know, yeah, so it needs to be quite hyped and stuff. So definitely do that, and then maybe have like a graphic that shows up like saying subscribe halfway through the video or something. You basically just need to remind them to subscribe like constantly. Well, not like, you know, not every 30 seconds, but you know, you need at least 3 times per video would be good, depending on the length, of course. Second tip is to make longer videos, because if your videos are like, I don't know, 30 seconds to 2 minutes long, basically they won't show up in recommended, because YouTube wants you to stay on the website for as long as possible, so they're not going to recommend videos you know, that aren't very long. They're going to recommend like longer videos. So upload up to like 5 to 20 minutes. Probably, I don't know, 20 minutes is a bit much nowadays. It used to be good, but you know, unless you're doing like a playthrough or a series, then don't do that. Alright, you've probably heard this a lot, but the third tip is to like upload a lot and stay consistent. Basically probably try and upload every day or every other day, like once a week. Probably getting like, you want to upload more than once a week, to be honest, because otherwise people just, they're not going to keep coming back, and they probably won't subscribe, which is bad, because if you get people subscribing they'll always come back to watch. Right, step 4 is to set your channel trailer, because every time someone goes onto your channel, or yeah, like your channel page, it adds an extra view to that video. So it can literally be any video, like you don't have to make anything specifically for it. I don't know, I normally put like my latest video there just so it gets more views instantly, or like my most popular video, because then you always get more views on that and it just looks better, doesn't it? And also it's views. Who doesn't love views? Right, the 5th thing is to set your watermark. Basically, if you look in the bottom right corner of this video, you'll see a little icon, and if you click on that you can subscribe. By the way, you should definitely do that. Yeah, you can also get one of those. I'd just set it to like a subscribe button or like your logo or something, so people notice it. But yeah, if they click that, they can just subscribe from there, and they don't have to go to your channel or exit the video if they're in full screen. So yeah, it's always pretty good to have that, and it's just like another reminder that you can subscribe. Then once they're subscribed, like you're gonna get more views on you. Step 6 is to have good thumbnails. Like you need to use clickbait, and I don't mean clickbait in a bad way. Like there's good clickbait and there's bad clickbait. So good clickbait is like you need to get them to click, but without being misleading. Like bad clickbait is like you just put something in there that will definitely grab their attention, but it's nothing to do with the video. So yeah, you just need it to grab their attention, but also have like, it needs to be relevant to the video. Right, step 7 is basically the same as step 6, but with titles. Like, you know, be a bit clickbaity, use capital letters, not for all of it, but for like the important parts. Like say if you're, I don't know, like how to make thumbnails, you'd probably have that in caps, and then have like maybe in brackets with Photoshop or something. But yeah, that's basically what you want to do for that. Just put as many keywords as you can, because then it'll rank higher in search, and then you'll get more views, and then you get more subs. So yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, also share on like Twitter, Reddit, Instagram. You know, let's try and get this video to I don't know, 100 views and 10 likes. Why not? Let's try and reach that probably, it's not too bad of a goal. You know, decent, probably average for me. Anyway guys, I'm gonna stop the video here. So yeah, peace out.